Welcome to this video review about the Audifort. If you're here probably looking for more information about the supplement, then you stopped to buy the review video because I'm here to tell you everything you need to know, including an alert, so stick around. But I already left the link for the manufacturer's official website in the description below in case you need more information, all right? Well, folks, Audifort is a dietary supplement that was developed to help people who struggle with hearing problems. When you start aging and along the years as well, we accumulate toxins inside of your ears. We don't clean it very well with the cotton swabs, and that can all damage our hearing, not mentioning the genetic factor, okay? That's why we have so many younger people developing problems with hearing. And if you go to the doctor, he will just prescribe you hearing aids to wear, which he will not solve your problem. It will be just like a mask for you. And Audifort is here to, revolutionize the market of hearing, because the supplement will really target the root cause of your problem and in a natural way. It is made only with natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, essential nutrients, minerals, protein, so you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. And it will actually do the basics, but it will work, all right? So the ingredients will provide your brain a real and better connection with your brain and your ears, all right? And also clean all of your ears from toxins that we have been accumulating along the years. So with Audifort, you will experience clear hearing and also silence with no buzzing for those who struggle with tinnitus as well, okay? All you gotta do is be committed to the formula and take it every single day to see these results. The minimal treatment with that is of 3 months, but I recommend you guys to do the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective results you are looking for. In addition to all of these benefits, the producer even offers you a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test the supplement, and if you don't like or don't see results, they return 100% of your money back, guys. So you will literally have nothing to lose here. But like I said in the beginning of this video, there is one alert that I have to share, which is where you're going to get it from, because there are a lot of places claiming to sell the product, but the actual Audifort is only sold on the manufacturer's official website, nowhere else. So keep that information in mind. That's why I left the link below in the description, okay? This is the only place you can guarantee yourself you're getting the real product that will come with all of these benefits, nowhere else. And if I were you guys, now that I know everything that the Audifort can do for you, I would go right now to the official website to check some more information and buy the pack with discount.